My mother is Rosa. She is 60 years old. She sells vegetables. My father name is Filiberto. He is 59 years old. He works as a taxi driver. My brother's name is Javier. He is 35 years old. He is a technician. My brother's name is Filiberto. He is 20 years old and he is a student. My grandfather is Sir Clemente. He is 88 years old and he works as a farmer. My grandmother is Miss Lupe. She is 75 years old and she is a stay-home mom. My uncle name is Arturo. He is 45 years old and he is a doctor. My aunt name is Mago. She is 35 years old